Okay, so my print finished. I know I have some voids in here. I'm not worried about it. That's not going to affect anything. Um, Clean these out a little bit. Actually, it came out very well. I'm pretty satisfied with this. I mean, again, there's voids here. I knew there would be, but once it goes together and you clamp it, it'll be good. Um, I'm worried that these are not going to stay in perfectly, the center dowels. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to add a drop of hot glue, just a drop on one side. This is PETG. It's like the stuff water bottles is made out of. So it won't really stick too well, but it'll just give me, so it's not dancing all over the place. Just a little drop there, and a little drop in there. And we'll stick these in. Again, just on the one side. Make sure you get all your strings, your glue string nonsense out of here. And then I will, see, this one's not sitting straight. And then I will clamp this and pour some bushings, and hopefully they work out okay. I suck at 3D printing. My printer is old. I mean, it's not old, but it is old. 3D printing is like anything else in the technological field. If my 3D printer is 6 years old, which it is, that's pretty old. There's a lot of new technology now. But this should work really well for making bushings. And then once they're poured and they're done, I can pop these out of here because, again, the glue won't really stick. So this should be good. The other bushings that I made are really gross because I pressed them in already. This was a slightly different design. I don't know how these will work, but they did pour well. They're 60A hardness, which is a little soft, so we'll see how that goes. But as far as this goes, I really beefed up the outer edges. Pressing them in is going to be a nightmare, I'm sure. But once they're in there, they'll stay in real good, and they'll have a nice buffer here on the edges. So that's that.